Welcome guys, and we're back with the next one. And as you can see today from the title of the video, we're doing Truth or Drink, Weird and Nasty edition. It's weird because the questions are hello funny, hello weird, and probably a little bit invasive. And it's nasty because the options, if you don't want to tell the truth, you want to be a little liar like this one.
They look like
You're going to have to drink one of these options that you're going to see somewhere on the screen, like right here.
So we don't hear so.
You will have to drink one of these. So guys, pray for me, stay with me, and enjoy the little sauce mix up and niceness that will come right now.
Stay tuned guys, I'm nervous.
You think you're nervous? So let's get into it guys. The first one.
Alright.
So if
you
want
have to answer or just me answer? It's all your answer?
Let's all we answer, just that me get the question them. Cause I already know I'm saying the expression man, I want to keep it genuine in the phone on the first time.
Alright, go on.
Ready? Alright, so the first questions. Who do you currently hate and why?
You hate nobody?
I mean, it asks who do you currently hate and why. If you don't want to answer, you can drink. If you want to answer,
if the answer is nobody, is a correct answer.
I mean, yeah.
Nobody.
Nobody?
Who you
Why?
hate?
Why not eat nobody? I say nice, I say clean.
I know some nice are
I don't want nobody.
Currently nobody not up on my radar for me yet. Nobody know me.
I like I said a volley player. I just cause no one come earth and feelings. Volley power wouldn't do out there.
Who you eat?
Well, yeah, the one Tisha, the one Shana, Pinky, Judith, Jubilee, Jody, Sandrine, and Kiki. I do not eat nobody. I'm not talking to nobody if I have nobody fit.
Come on, that wouldn't be fair.
I don't know nobody with name, so.
Anyways.
And if there any name called by coincidence, I just coincidence. I'm not eat nobody.
Anyways, if I did well, if I saw the question, I'm going to start me when I already. Continue.
Would you suck toes?
No. Is there, you want to ask why?
I'm going to ask why.
Would you suck toes?
I mean, is it clean?
You know you can be prosecuted for that.
Jesus Christ! Shit!
Oh, sorry, mommy.
Shadeka, would you suck toes? Oh, why would them not clean? Why would them not clean? Is it clean? Is it clean? Jesus Christ! Me gonna be a later. Is it clean?
Number three.
Is it clean? No, I'm shocked. I'm nervous at the same time. Yes, continue.
Have you ever?
Wait, but that's not the answer. Is it clean? Is a yes or no? Yes or no?
I want to be honest. At the same time.
Yes. Yes. Moving on. Shadeka would suck toes.
No, that's so weird.
Move on.
Alright, so the third question. Have you ever do your pants and when?
Have I ever pooped my pants and when?
Did you?
Did you? Ever should have said.
I do too, but now I try to. Yeah.
Yes. Alright, let me see. Maybe I should have done.
What's
I
that
think
question?
primary school, grade 4, teacher never want to let me into the class. Tell us I'm well use the bathroom. Diarrhea, lick. I can't remember if you don't want to let me into the class. And but then they didn't beg for the little let out and she not let me out. And they call them say if like you want pee and say if you turn up on your big toe. Me no go turn up on my big toe, I don't know. You know turn up on big toe? Stop myself.
Jesus!
I never hear a story yet in my life. So this will bring light come to my eyes.
You ever did a video?
No.
Never?
No.
Primary school?
No.
Basic school?
No.
No, sir.
Never shut myself. I know say I shut up a washroom, but when I shut up myself, it let go. I don't shut up myself.
No primary school.
Wash me.
I don't know. Hello, the edges, sorry, the edges. No, I can't do that. The edges.
Not because me have now.
The edges.
Anyways.
Number 4.
Mm-hmm.
What are some of the things you think about while on the toilet?
How many times when me there bathroom?
Da-da-dee, da-da-plunk.
It depends on how I'm feeling at the moment, you know, or what me did I do before
it's
me go in
serious.
there. Because sometimes I will say, alright, when I come out, I go play PUBG, and I come out, I go watch a show. You know things where you think about before you're going there, like, if the thought continues when you're in the bathroom. Me no know, like, ordinary thoughts. What you think about when you're in the bathroom?
I'm gonna make this interesting and just go drink something, because I know we not drink.
And you are going to drink.
I'll have peanut butter and milk.
God go with you.
Yo, people, this has been in the fridge from yesterday. These aren't
yeah,
fresh.
everything's so kind of gel up together. I'm sorry for you. Me tell them, I'm not drinking, because I can answer everything, no matter how embarrassing them be, I answer them just.
No, Orain, this not look this not look right. What is the pan top at a float? This not look right.
The peanut butter, drink it. Oh, it tastes nice.
How many can you use it?
Yes.
Okay.
Let me taste it.
Oh, what is it? What is it?
I'm intrigued. How don't they look so? This look like you run your belly.
Show the people them.
That look like you run your belly.
Mm-hmm.
This look like you run your belly, man.
I'm a bit no fresh enough, so I tell you. And the old one they use knife fruit too.
Look just no way.
It just like I'm a man, so I'm say alright. All the people said at the bottom. It was kind of tasty. Next one, number 5. What would be the first thing you would do if you woke up as the opposite sex? Yo! Yo!
Hey, reverse.
First thing. You talk. You know the first thing with me that do?
Me talk.
You talk.
The first thing we would have to do, I come and then goes. And the first thing we would have to do, play with them here, and then draw and look down something there. And go to why first thing you would have to do?
And use a nasty little boy. Use a nasty little boy. And he's a little boy, he's a little man.
What the first? I'm a little man, I'm more than one man.
Let me tell you what the first thing I'm going to do. Them people, give me a second. People my back. Let me tell you the first thing I'm going to do. If me up a meal, I'm going to draw for this. I draw for the tape measure. I draw for the tape measure.
You're going to measure it?
I draw for the tape measure. The first thing I do.
You're going to measure?
I draw for the tape measure.
Why?
I see what my arm down there go on. So I can know if I can hype or if I just be with beer talk. I draw for the tape measure.
What a whoop?
The first thing I do, I draw for the tape measure. Whether it's 7, 8, I draw for the tape measure.
You know, we never do this before.
Hello! None of that now. But that's the first thing me would do. Like drop the tape measure, the very first thing.
Alright.
Number 6 people.
Tape measure!
Number 6 people. Have you ever cheated?
Have I ever cheated?
Yes.
No.
So you good? You know,
Cheat.
keep on testing a cheat in a
Wait, me think a relationship wise I talk, I never cheat.
You have different, you
We
know.
never cheat in a relationship.
No, he hasn't.
Let me see. When it comes to test. In primary school, I cheat for not test in primary school.
We never cheat.
I never really knew what the answer. Them obviously say me no. So when them don't know something, them would have like make out one little sound like
questionable sounds like people coughing and sniffling. How come Cheyenne always develops these flu symptoms every time there's a test? And then I saw it. She coughed, and then like 8 people around her all of a sudden would write down an answer. And then she'd sniffle, and the same 8 would write another answer.
I like if I A, me make a certain sound.
But
If I B, me make a certain sound.
But what a rabbit foot there around here.
So when them hear me and make a certain sound, them know what for shade. I think I when we are do.
I suppose it is.
I think when we are do must say G-Sat also. Proper cheating.
Mighty God. Well,
You ever cheat?
for one person.
You ever cheat?
exam.
Alright, you ever cheat in a relationship?
Never have a man. Exactly.
So me awa.
No, I never cheat.
Okay. You watching your text?
It's
I will
grade
take that
1,
pepper.
grade 2, grade 10, 11. I'm just joking. I don't know, but more than likely, yes, I have cheated on an exam
Alright.
in some sorts. Probably grade 1. Maybe not grade 1. I know how them people they do the out of order. Cause you know, so them usually group round table. And me ever bright from morning. Cause this not do good, right? It's school nice pamper and things. They know say my paper after pass through and when me done it on weird things.
You did that too? Pass around paper in that class?
Passes it to Dana. Dana copies. Passes it to me. I copy. Passes it to Jamie. Boom! We are so ninja mode right now.
Everybody copy
For
out.
me no know, but me just know say me just know say, you know, I always a good one. I never wanted them things there.
Yo,
but my paper get taken off
sometimes I
time.
wake up with my paper missing. Like, you know, at the end, like, you put it on the desk and like, I take a 5 when you do it. Teacher gone. All up made now. Paper gone. Paper in circulation around classroom. Yeah. I will have the little taste them also.
See, all them something there, that's why people can't get bright and move on in life, you know.
That is why teacher nowadays them know them little something they were little bit them a do cause of something with them used to do when them a go to school.
That question never gets you.
It don't catch me.
That question I got catch already. Number 7 people. Who is the worst dressed person you have ever met?
The worst dressed person?
Yes, the worst dressed person that you've ever met.
My granny.
You know you can't be proud of that.
I don't think you're gonna answer.
So I'm gonna answer. You feel me? I'm drinking on the right answer. My grandmother.
I don't think you're gonna answer.
I true one. Also, hey,
Honest,
my grandmother for you know, sometimes she will take up like what is something she take up now? She will take out one brown top. And brown top I like one shocking color to wear upon the bottom or something like that about Orain. I should have called my mother, Karen, this can wear go work. I don't even have it work. I said, sometimes my mother said, Judy, I want put it back. Yeah, my grandmother.
I never think you're gonna answer that one. Or you
Who are
have
the
been
worst dressed person you know?
You say ever met.
Yeah.
There's a person that comes in my head. I don't know the person. I mean, I don't really want to disrespect the person.
You know the name?
No, I don't know nothing about the person. I don't see me see them.
If I be somebody where you know, I can't just see somebody.
He said met, you know.
So you meet them?
No, but I see them in a church.
You have to know the person. Come, dig up in the arsenal. You gotta drink something to them.
Me don't know nobody.
I wonder if I can drink this. No, man. I can taste some of this.
The worstly dressed person.
Just taste it, man. Taste it, man.
Yes, but cups up.
People, this is lime and hot pepper. She make this it's soft. It not gonna do nothing. Cause I know say the pepper not I just too little bump or something. It hot. Yeah, man. Jesus is Lord. Pepper.
People are burning me, like I can feel it right here, so it's burning me. And it's not funny. That you will grab it and come give it to me to drink.
Yeah, drink. Anyways, next question. Tell me your answer everything.
What is your guilty pleasure?
My guilty pleasure?
Mm-hmm.
Give me an explanation for that. So what am I supposed to do about me do it to give me pleasure?
Yeah, it depends on how you want to look at it. Like, you know, if I don't know if you want to look at it from a diet perspective, like, you know, you're not supposed to eat eggs, but you still eat eggs, or you can eat in our life, I guess a normal thing. Like, you know, you're not supposed to be playing football or you play football. I don't know. It's just an example.
Me not have done because there's nothing women not supposed to do what me do. Where you know about me and look at me? Where you know about me?
No bully.
Where you know about me?
No bully.
Move on and start
No bully. Yeah. That's the same thing. Drink the juice. Drink it.
With your juice.
Drink one of them because you know you're not saying the truth. Exactly. Right. Black pepper and cayenne. Let's say black pepper, cayenne pepper, and water.
No, I know this is the black pepper. This is supposed to be here, so.
Okay.
Honey and sugar with tin milk.
That nice, Orain. A beer sweet that.
You give me the action.
No.
Me taste it already.
You can't dip your hand in it. Suppose me have to drink toast, you try to put it in your mouth.
How long is it going to take to drop out?
The next day.
Eat the crunch!
Diabetes in a cup.
I have a guilty pleasure, so I'm gonna drink this too.
What is your guilty pleasure?
I'm drinking for a reason.
Okay, we can tell me off camera. Whisper to me, tell me. Oh, I mind that too. Can't tell no, sorry.
Oh my gosh.
Man drink. Bad, turn something. Make enough go out. And that's why people are bothered because I love sugar lip in a cup. Give me this.
What kind of talk is that?
You push up your lip in the cup, man. That's why there's something I'm burning up here, so. Anyways, I want number 8.
9. We are what true man. What was your most embarrassing moment in public? Talk to me.
Embarrassing moment in public.
Yeah, me have one. Me tell you. You want to talk to you? You want to think?
Most embarrassing moment.
I people them tell them mine while I'm thinking. So, I dance and I love to dance. I was in prep school and I'm not forget it, you know. We're up there's a solid section upstairs, like I guess it's like the meeting or the staff room, and we're up here getting dressed. Whatever event was going on, I don't remember what event was going on in the hall, but they were taking forever to get us out there. Them tie this piece of little like a skirt, turban or something around my waist, and they tighten me them loose knee. They loosen me them tighten it, them tighten it, me them loose knee, and I left it so. So go out there and dance, right? I'm here dancing, I shine bright like a diamond, I dance people.
Don't tell me say drop off.
I'm here dancing now, and then the dance pretty much finished. I'm just everybody dead with laugh. I ball out, dead with laugh when I look down. Skirt up on the ground, I take it up and run, go away.
You didn't are you panty that show?
No, I don't even know. It's like it was a thin piece of clothing, like probably like a thin leggings or whatever, and then they for wrap and cover on.
Hey! Scandalous!
And it dropped down. I'm gonna see here one bag of people that laugh. I'm gonna put them a laugh about. Look down, see the skirt. I say, Jesus. Let me see the skirt back and run away. I'm never that embarrassed too, but this is the most embarrassing thing I can think about. How many never read the business? I mean, that's the only most embarrassing thing I could think
My
about.
one more embarrassing than yours. Alright, so I think I was last year in high school, right?
Last year in high school.
Last year in high school, yeah.
But I want to tweet.
And the one you have something though?
Yes.
Yeah, man, that me mix it. Should I put like a black pepper in it too? It was my last year in high school. This was grade 11. I went after class one evening we did that wait. If you take a bus them always take long to come.
That's the next embarrassing moment I had with a bus, but we not talk about it.
The bus them always take long to come. So we did that, I'm why use the bathroom, you know? Why use the bathroom, you know? And I said no, bus might come, cause a long time I stand up with that bus might come and go and left me and me out of here even longer time. So I hold it till I reach home. Cool? Bus come take bus now. Go sit and wash me come on use bathroom. No. Could the bus move stop in the traffic and don't move. And Papa come down.
Jesus!
Me say man, me I say alright. Me can just ease to the side and crack it. So me ease up now me I said jeez. Yeah, somebody in the bus. I think I'm a friend. He say hear no. That sound wet.
Jesus!
Me say really? Me say no.
So wet.
Me even have one more incident like that in my work when me at work. You want me to tell it?
You want to tell people or you tell me?
Yeah, me can tell it. Alright, so one morning, me lock up the house now, left out for work, and me lock up and want to use bathroom. Lazy can but I turn back and me love cut it close to the time and left out late. So I left out now I want to use bathroom. So when we reach at work, we will use the bathroom. I put my just at the time, you know when me just start that. When you just start work at work? Yeah. We take the bus the morning.
We were already talking?
Yeah.
Okay.
We take the bus the morning, you know. And the bus go meet up in a toll road traffic, you know, that to set if for who come from Portmore if we go into Kingston morning time. So in the traffic now Me just want to use the bathroom.
Okay, I'm bathroom.
More use the bathroom, you know. No, so me a wallet. Then time the diarrhea, you know, man. I say me a wallet, and then it's like me a muscle up for wallet, and it just want come every time I wallet. Like the lady beside me, she know what going to come and she goes and ease over. Me I say no man, that lady I know what going. Me now appear no man, me a wallet. Shake all my foot, I'm a wallet. I squeeze, I'm a wallet. You see when me reach, me say man. Somebody in front of me nearly push on the person front out of the bus. I run across the road, nearly get licked down, jump the wall and go to the people in business. Cold, sweat and wash me going on the people in place and say, security, we need to use the bathroom, where the bathroom? She said, around the corner. She just asked me who may be it worker. She just around the corner. I want this woman in the male bathroom. Why are you doing that? But wait man, this soon come out. We say wait, I can't in the female woman bathroom, I say. And I done man. Tiny couldn't flush.
Jesus Christ.
Take from myself.
You're so nasty.
Then that is too was embarrassing. Something ever happened to me.
But nobody never really know about that.
In my 24 years. Eh?
No, but I'm saying the second part, like you weren't in presence of anybody else, it wouldn't have been that embarrassing.
No, nobody is no car. To come off of the bus, Shadeka, run. Me don't know if you ever take that little stretch there when you come off a toll road and for go up on Mandela, they wally put on the little highway where they carry them no slow down. Me say, as me come for the bus. Cross road and over wall, me no carry no lick me down.
Oh my gosh, people. Enjoy them story. Enjoy the truth.
People for them story and no drop a like and leave.
Let me give you a thumbs up, man. We are dish out the things
yeah,
them too, no.
And if you're new to the channel,
please
just
subscribe on our journey
too. Our journey will soon reach.
Yeah, man, we're getting closer and closer.
Soon reach.
Hey, next question, guys. What was the last thing you texted?
The last thing I texted.
Open up your phone.
What last thing?
The very last thing you texted.
To anybody or to you?
It's a lot overthink. The last thing overall.
I don't know.
Do the last person.
I know nothing embarrassing. The last person I text my mother. I wanna say shh. She said her phone get wet and she don't know how it wet. And my mother said okay. That was the last thing I said.
And my phone is a camera, so I can't really know the last thing I texted. I guess I can't say the last thing I texted Orain to make it a bit simpler.
The last person you texted me?
No, last person I texted was I think Sashana, and I fell asleep. Sorry, girl.
Well, you sent me a link to the A21S.
Tips and tricks.
Tips and tricks.
New phone. Alright, so the next question.
Yes.
The next question, it says, how long would you wear an underwear before washing it? Now be honest.
So I can remember.
How long would
you
wear an underwear before washing it? Yes.
I didn't be able to change it.
How long? Makes me never ask how long you do it. How long you would have waited? Would you wait for 2 days?
No.
Already, you've done it before. Don't come tell like
no, you say how long would I wait? You don't fix up a question when we can answer. Fix up a question then.
You said don't.
Read it.
We
don't read over it. Read over it. So.
How long would you wear an underwear before washing it? Don't lie to me. Because I know you wear underwear, but I want to
when me bathe, me change my underpants.
Me know you wear underwear, but I want you for.
But
yes.
Why people up at embarrassing stories? So?
Yeah, man, but what?
When me a youth and so forth and nasty and so and whatnot, grandma said go be fly in a bathroom and bathe and no can and then we fling on back one and take up. You know.
So how long would it be?
Like a 2 days.
Just 2 days?
Yeah.
Like
2 days.
You look like a 5 day ago.
What? How kind of nasty?
5 days. You flip it inside, flip it outside. Yeah.
Turn it back way, turn it front way. Yeah. But me not do them something there. Nobody look. Me not do them something there. Only thing we can remember me a pity. But no, But me a big smile now, when me know better underwear have to change every day. Or every time you be change your underwear.
Yes.
Because I don't really smell that.
The sweat. Your vagina and your
I don't have
penis.
one.
Your vagina and your penis sweats. Especially that it's locked up and covered from the daylight and sunlight and the breeze, it sweats and it can carry an odor. No wear drawers more than one time. Before it
This
wash.
information was brought to you by Shadeka. Next one.
So me, as my babe, I have too much panty.
Not too bad.
I have too much panty for wear panty more than even 12 hours. That's too long.
I wish you were with the 11.
Oh my gosh, if I had known that we were going to go through questions so quickly, I probably would have asked more. But either way, it's still a long video, guys. The last question, guys. If you're not subscribed to the video yet, thumbs it up. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Let us know in the comment section if you want to see more things like this. Let us know. And here's the last question, guys.
Yes.
What's the longest time you've stayed in the bathroom? And why did you stay for that long? Lord God, I'm going to weird bad.
Well, I already do because we're going to get about 2 stories. Diarrhea.
Diarrhea.
Me always overeat myself. I eat one bag and mix up. And it upset my stomach. So it's either me get colic or diarrhea and I always diarrhea.
So all you stay there?
Longest time I can remember more than half an hour.
More than half an hour?
Yeah, more than half an hour. Like I will go in there.
This man and him shit tails. Boy, you wanna get forgive me?
Sure. Are you asking or is you ask? How long you ever stayed in there for?
I don't spend on my bathroom, you know. The longest I've spent in the bathroom, probably it would have been like, I don't know, 15. It's like, wait, what did you say?
How long have you stayed in the bathroom and why?
Oh, shit was why you stay in the bathroom. Oh, then you're gonna be showering for me.
No, me not wait long.
I'm usually young, you know. I don't know how I must swim. When in high school days, I'm gonna have a good 45 minutes spent in the bathroom, not even an hour. No, not so long. So I'm gonna have 40 minutes spent in the bathroom. My entire TV series spent in the bathroom and be there.
That's how you. Yo, me, this off topic. Remember when me
but you like no, people have to continue watching, have to subscribe to get that story, or pull up a story, not get no more, and get extra panda one here.
Guys, if you know why you hear me just sit in front of the camera and Shadeka and telling you some things I've got through and telling some good up story of my youth and the trouble when we used to get.
Yeah, we can, guys, if you want this, we can actually do a story time and my live reaction to it. But I'm gonna hear all of the story then.
Yeah, I'm not getting all of them. So if you don't want to hear, just comment down below. Just comment down below and say story time.
And plus reaction.
Plus reaction. Our next video. We can make it good next video.
What that's it?
Yeah.
No man, we are come phone man. We are try our best for putting out some video phone. We know it's slacking worse. I'm going back to school. So it's going to take a while because we're going to find the time for edit.
Yeah.
So that's our only problem. But we are upgrading things. We are trying to do more content and push out what I want to see. So guys, just subscribe, thumbs up the video, comment below, and we'll see the next one, right?
And just listen out for more Orain and Shadeka's
people,
content.
Turn on that bell because if the bell isn't on, you won't get notified, and sometimes you might miss the upload.
Yes.
And after a while, you probably stop getting notifications overall, and we don't want that. We want Orain and Shadeka forever. Like,
yes,
literally
forever.
Forever. That's right.
So hit the subscribe button now.
And hit the bell.
Hit the subscribe. What are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button and touch the bell. Make it go deep. Touch it now.
So guys, you can see we are truth tellers.
Alright,
we barely sipped any. I'm not sipping no more, no.
I'm gonna sip this. It blue.
Bonus clip.
Tea bag in there. In a bad. But it blue.
Your tongue blue.
Taste it. That not bad. It tastes minty.
God, I like this. I don't like that.
Alright guys. Thank you for watching. As we keep on saying subscribe, like, share, comment. See you guys in the next video.
Bye. Okay, Orain unboxing his brand new phone. Courtesy of a phone. What's it? For Phone King, JA.
Yeah.
Brand new what is it? Galaxy A21s.
Yeah. Hey, we get that earphone.
I'm turning the phone on one that people want to see. Yeah, waste time. Oh, it look nice and clean. No touching on people. I know. Yes. Oh.
Grace, when I fit charge.
It must have look at that. Look at normal. Look at the holograph. Jesus. Look at the bling. Hello, stop it. Look at the blings. Woo.
See if it charge. Live.
We have a second camera now, guys.
Yeah.
My phone has been doing all the work.
Fingerprint.
I like it. I like it.
Mm-hmm. Never been touched by human hands. Well, of course it has been.
Yeah, because it's been in a factory. But you're the first user. Ready?